Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I just took a screenshot of this and posted it into my Discord group, and I want to explain what I've got marked up here. Okay, here we are in Discord. This is the screenshot that I took. And by the way, look, if you're watching this for the first time and you're new to my channel, this is actually going into the Traders Zone here. All this information's available. I'm in here during the Asian session and most of the London session. So click the link below, jump on board. It'd be great to see you in here. So this is the thing here. All right, I'm not convinced that this rally is going to continue, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'll explain this. So let's just go back to the chart. Don't get me wrong. This is not a trade signal or anything like that. Okay, I've got an arrow here indicating that we could see this look to tap into this level here, pull back. Kind of makes sense. The thing we do have with this is this imbalance under on a 4-hour chart, unresolved. The market is looking for two things. It's looking for liquidity and it's looking for imbalances. Think about that. Where is there liquidity on this chart? Down in through here and all up through here. Retail traders jumping in long. There's stop losses galore all through here and down under here. This is ripe for the picking. If smart money is looking to take this on a bit of a ride, they have to tap into sell side liquidity. Right, the market also looks to rebalance. So we have this, if you look here, candle on the right, candle on the left. So I'm thinking a retrace down into this order block and quite possibly, this travels a little further, looking for this balance area. Whether it continues on or rolls over, that's another day. Who knows? But for now, I won't be looking for buy opportunities in here. No way. Right, we've got this white line here on our indicators telling us that we have a monthly resistance level. And this is a daily order block, this zone, this grayed out zone. I marked it up. Right, so this is strong resistance in here. I mean, it could travel up a little further. Sure. It could work its way up. It could even spike up through here, but I really think that for me, I won't be looking for buy opportunities, even if it trades back down into this order block, mainly because we have this unresolved in here, imbalance. If anything, I'll be looking for a counter trend, possibly. If it trades back down into here, and we see a break retest of this low, then sure, yeah, that's an opportunity. Let's just have a look at this on the daily. And I'll do a quick top down. And the other thing you might want to consider is if stock markets sell off, the US dollar should gain strength as money pours into safe haven assets and currencies. Well, look at the Kiwi dollar. Look how overextended that is. So is this looking for strength to come into the dollar here and we get a short? I mean, there's so much great information. What else have we got? Okay, stock markets were green across the board yesterday. So now we're starting to see a little bit of weakness come in here. It's mixed, red and green. So a little bit of indecision going on. Fear and greed index. This has been moving between extreme fear, and it's on the higher end of fear here. A bit of confidence coming back into the markets. However, this could be where this triggers this needle here to kind of rebalance, head back south. I've got US 100, so we'll just have a look at this. Have a look at this daily chart. That's what I'm talking about. See this thin leg through here? Well, we've got this daily order block under here, and we have a daily order block here. You might want to consider the opportunity between these two levels, perhaps. That's on the daily. And we do have an imbalance on the daily through here. So looking at the candle wick left and right, you can see that more clearly on the 4-hour candle, in fact. All right, so I'm always looking for where liquidity is resting, and it's all under here, and these imbalances. So if we look at that markup, we had a nice trade yesterday. Okay, so this is the imbalance on the daily through here, and then we've got this 4-hour that we can mark up in through here. So this is a gap that I'm expecting will look to get filled. Okay, so we've got our daily order blocks marked up, and now 4-hour. Well, we've got this 4-hour order block here. So we get that, maybe, and that. Okay, this could look to trade deeper into this monthly, this level here, this daily order block. Okay, it could look to trade into that. Or we could get a bit of a pullback and then another move up. But at some stage, I really think that that's going to get filled. It's the end of the week, so we could see, you know, hedge funds and bigger players looking to wind up positions, take profit. Well, that's what they're doing up here anyway. You can see that. Thursday, Friday, I'm wondering whether we get an opportunity. And we had a nice trade yesterday. This counter trend here, we took that. But definitely this rally hasn't convinced me. I don't want to overanalyze this thing to death, but I guess what I'm doing is just building my argument. See these lines here, this line, these guys. Well, we've got this one and then we've got this one. So this is pushed up. This is the mean here. Okay, so I mean, that makes sense to me that it pulls back into the mean as it did here. So I won't be going long. This was a trade we took yesterday. That was quite nice. Counter trend short. That worked out well. Just quickly off that signal, short it, and we closed down here. I tend to take 70% of my position off at target 1, and I've made money by that point. Stop loss comes down, and it's a winning trade. And if it continues further, it's a bonus, pretty much. But that was nice. So, I mean, how to look for an opportunity with this? Oh, well, I will go into the lower time frame here, and I'm just watching this as it's trading through this grey zone up here, that daily order block. And this is our, you know, there's a support zone down here. Yesterday's trade, that was yesterday. Here it is. That was quite nice. And that was off this signal, by the way, here. And that was actually trading through a 4-hour order block up in through here. So I'm always watching it when it trades into these zones. And then I'm looking for the rotation and a signal that this is possibly breaking in our favour. Okay, so that was that trade. So up in here, well, I mean, look at the volatility. We're trading through the Asian session, right? So the London session's going to kick off at my 1700. So, you know, if you see this trading up into the London Open, that could be your cue for that. Could be. Just watch how it trades into the London Open. Let's bring on the session times and have a look. London session, right? You know, we get this balance area through here. Our white candles, by the way, give us that. That's why we've got these candles coloured the way they are. So this will indicate a balance area. Get a fake out, and then we get the shakeout. And it gets pretty wild. Look at it. London Open. Trades up into the London Open, trades down. This is attacking liquidity for this move. It's building liquidity with these moves here. Fake out. You just got to recognize this and know how to trade it. I mean, see our dots? Stop loss. This is why we got these indicators. This is a 1 minute chart. I prefer the dots on the 3 minute, but let's have a look here. Here it is again. Okay, this is a perfect example of market maker algos. Okay, we get this range, balance area, fake out, shake out, and the trade. This is building liquidity under. Exactly that. This draws in more retail buyers, more sell-side liquidity, then they attack it. Smart money has an enormous amount of capital to move. They need liquidity. So they create these balance areas and then they attack liquidity. They instigate this with these moves. Spike up, spike down. I call it the fakey shaky. There's your trade, right? So they load up through here, do that, and look at the outcome. Okay, London Open, mark it up. 1700 my time. There it is, London Session Open. Okay, I just went out to a 5 minute chart, but yeah, I mean, watch it as it trades into the London Open. How does it behave? Just see how it attacks liquidity on both sides of this range here. And then, you know, we either get that or that. But, you know, how do you stay out of trouble with this? Well, our indicators do a pretty good job. You can go to the 3 minute if you want faster signals. Yeah, they're breakout signals. They're not buy and sell signals. There's your breakout signal. It's the retest of the range that it broke from. There's your buy. I tend to use these in conjunction with the order blocks, order block levels. Right, there's the breakout. We're looking for the retest of this range. There it is. There's your sell. Anyway, guys, There's the free Discord. You're welcome to join. This section here is available. I'm posting stuff in here. But go to the next level. Just shout me a hamburger and chips every month. That's all it is. And you gain access to extraordinary value, I have to say. Jump on board. That's it, guys. Try it for a month for $19.95. Give it a shot. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised in a big way. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.